Hello friends, welcome to our video. Let's draw a caterpillar from my favorite book.
Today we're going to tell you a story about a very silly caterpillar. Once upon a time, in a garden not too far away, there lived a tiny teeny egg. It was so small that even ants thought it was a pebble. But inside that egg was a surprise waiting to hatch. Can you guess what it was? That's right, a hungry little caterpillar. Now, this caterpillar wasn't just hungry. He was rubbly-tumbly like a grizzly bear at breakfast time.
His tummy growled louder than a lion's roar, so he set out on a quest for some munchies.
On Monday, he stumbled upon a juicy red apple. He took 1 bite, 2 bites, 3 bites. He kept munching until the apple was just a hole with an apple-shaped hat. Tuesday rolled around, and our silly caterpillar found 2 pears that looked like green boomerangs. He tossed them in the air and caught them in his mouth, just like a circus acrobat. But his appetite was still as big as an elephant's, so he kept on eating. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Every day was a feast for our little friend. He gobbled up strawberries, oranges, and even a piece of cake. That's right, a piece of cake. Who knew caterpillars had such a sweet tooth? But oh boy, did he eat too much. On Saturday, his belly was so full, it looked like a balloon ready to pop. He waddled around like a penguin, trying to do the hula hoop. Oops, he said. I think I overdid it. He found a cozy spot, wrapped himself up like a burrito, and took a long nap. And then, something magical happened. He woke up feeling lighter than a feather. He wiggled and jiggled, and guess what? He had turned into a beautiful butterfly, ready to flutter and flutter through the sky. And so, our silly caterpillar learned that sometimes a little bit of silliness and a whole lot of munching can lead to the most wonderful surprises. The end, or should I say, the beginning of a fluttery adventure. Okay friends, I hope you liked the story. Now it's time to color our caterpillar. You can use many different colors to paint the caterpillar's body, just like the colorful pebbles in a summer pond.
Now we've done drawing a caterpillar. We hope you liked the story and the drawing. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.